friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking banana peppers in the air fryer. So this is super easy. All you need is banana peppers, and I washed them before making this video. And I'm going to toss them in some olive oil, and for seasonings I'll just use salt and garlic powder, keeping it very simple. So first, let's cut off the stem of the banana pepper, and I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to remove the seeds. So just use a spoon to scrape the seeds. And then I'm just, if you want, you can chop them in smaller pieces, but I'm just going to keep them as halves and have these roasted banana pepper halves. And do the same thing with the other banana peppers. So now I've prepared all the peppers and took out the seeds. And let's drizzle them with some olive oil. And sprinkle the salt and garlic powder. And now toss so they're coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's put them in the air fryer basket. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at banana peppers. Look at that. They're so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Air fryer makes perfect roasted peppers. So let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. And now let's try it. So excited about trying it. I love roasted peppers. It's very tender. They're so delicious. They're a little bit spicy, not as spicy as jalapenos, but they're still pretty spicy. So if you've never tried banana peppers, you know, these are what they are. They're very flavorful. Air fryer is a perfect cooking method for them, so I do recommend you trying banana peppers. I think you will like it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and to discuss various foods, easy recipes, and cooking tips, please visit everydaycookingclub.com. That's my free cooking community, everydaycookingclub.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!